It's so funny. I feel like I'm in a childlike wonderland.
So we came to the big square with the banyan trees tonight to, I don't know, rent one of these glow buses and have a weird time and walk through the banyan trees. So we'll see how it goes. It's already nuts here. I love everything about what's happening right now. Hey guys. This makes no sense and I love it so much. It's just these freaking pedal cars are going by, lit up. They're like shaped like beat up buses. It's like, it's a Friday night, so it's a little bit more busy than normal, but like, it's not, it's like the world's worst crowd-funded parade.
That one has a T-Rex on it.
Oh! The story in Jogja goes like this. There's these two banyan trees here, and they're really pretty. It's dark, you can't really see them. And you're supposed to walk through these two banyan trees with your eyes closed or with a blindfold, and if you make it without tripping, you have a pure heart. So we're each gonna test to see how pure our heart is.
Let's see. I think I'm pure. I don't think Sean is.
I think I'm gonna face plant into a banyan tree.
Eyes closed.
Good?
Tell me if I'll run into someone.
I will not.
Oh, you have to.
Why? Just start making noise if you don't want to hit anybody.
Ah, well. That's like zombie arms.
Yeah, you got your arms out like a cool kid.
Because you're supposed to tell me if I hit someone.
You only have another 50 feet.
50?
Only another 100 feet.
Shut up.
You're never gonna make it there. You're way through it. You did it.
Hey! I have a pure heart.
You have such a pure heart that you walked way past it. Alright, we're gonna see how dark my heart is as I try to walk through the banyan trees. And I might kick a kid. I might fall. Bubbles. Alright, here we go. Eyes closed. Let me know when you...
I'll tell you. I'll talk to you. I'm right behind you.
I feel like something's gonna hit me in the ball.
No, you're good. You're good, stop!
So apparently I have the blackest of hearts. I almost ate crap on a huge root. It's like the only root in the whole park, and I went straight for it. Like these two Indonesian people were like, oh!
So Sean does have a black
So
heart.
confirmation that I'm dead inside. doing it!
This is an actual street that we're pedaling on.
We're joking about this stupid T-Rex bike bus, but there are still like cars and mopeds, and we're going all of half a mile an hour. So,
all right, we're almost ready to pull back in.
And everyone here loves that we're doing this.
These are the greatest things ever.
I love this thing so much. There's a T-Rex on the top. I love everything about this. Easily some of the weirdest money that we've spent on the trip, but that's the best $40,000 I've ever spent my entire life. Isn't that right, Dinosaur? Yeah. We stopped off from our dope electric parade to get some satay, get some chicken satay. This is a hilarious park. We love the vibe here and the energy. You can stop and get really good food. It's $40,000, which is $3 to do a lap around the thing in a dinosaur car. So this is great.